Hi mga kapeps! Today I'm gonna show you the AND gate using transistors on the breadboard. So the truth table I'm gonna show you is this. This is the AND gate. This truth table. When S1 is open, S2 is open, the LED is off, and S1 is open, S2 is closed, the LED is off also. When S1 is closed and S2 is open, the LED status is off, and when both push buttons is closed, the LED will turn on. So I have the following components here. First, I have the 9-volt cell, chargeable 9-volt cell. I have the connector for the battery. And then I have the two BC547 NPN transistors. Very small. Okay. I have also, I'm gonna place it here. I have also the two push buttons. Did you hear me? And also I have the breadboard for which I'm gonna put the components. I have LED to test. And I have also the connectors, breadboard connectors. These are male connectors, breadboard connectors. And I have also here the 1K ohms resistors. And then I have also here the 10K ohms resistors, color blue here. Now, I have also here the circuit diagram. And then, now we start the connection. We follow the steps. First, we place the 9-volt cell on the breadboard. So I'm gonna connect the connector first before I'm gonna put this here. Okay? Positive, the negative. Then after that, we place the BC547 transistors on the breadboard. The position here is CBE, or the collector, base, and emitter, as seen in the circuit diagram. Next is we place the two push buttons. Push buttons. And then we place the collector of the transistor 1 to the positive rail. Okay. Next is we put the 10K resistors. Then two 10K resistors. First, one resistor is placed to the base, or the CBE, right? Base. Nang tunga, di ba? Tulo man ni siya. Tulo man ni. Then, the base, the collector, and the emitter. To the base, we connect one end of the 10K resistors to the base of the transistor 1 to the pin 1 of the push button 1. Okay? We also place another 10K resistors in the base of the transistor 2 to the pin 1 of the push button 2. You see here, I'm gonna show it to you in a closer later. And then, after that, we will connect the emitter of the transistor 1 to the collector of the transistor 2. See, I master it. Okay. Okay. And then we will use the two connectors again to the pin 2 of the push button 1 to the positive rail. Okay. And another connector to the pin 2 of the push button 2 to the positive rail again. And then we will use the 1K resistors. Okay. The first resistor, 1K resistors, is we will place it in the emitter of a transistor 2 to the negative rail. Can we excuse the noises behind because there is too busy? And then we will place another 1K resistor to the emitter of a transistor 2 to the blank space where we're gonna put the LED. And then after that, we will put the LED to test on. The anode will be connected to the end of the 1K resistor that is placed in the blank space there, the anode, and the cathode to the negative rail. Okay, are you excited to see the result? Now we will connect the battery. Ow! I'm sorry. I was just so strong and so excited. Okay. Can you see it in closer? I need to see it in closer. Okay. I'm gonna take pictures later. Now we have to test. When we put in the open, when both of the switches are open, the LED is off. When we push the push button 1, no light. Push button 2, no light again. And when the two push buttons will be pressed or be closed, oh, did you see this? The LED turns on. I'm so happy, Char. So now we already proved, or we now proved, the truth table of the AND gate logic transistor. So their circuit shows the working principle of the logic AND gate using two transistors. When both the switches are open, there is no current flowing through the transistors, and hence the output is low. In this state, the LED is off, right? We never pushed any, as we performed it earlier. And then when one switch is closed, and we pressed, and the other is open, no current flow again. Although one transistor is high. Why? Because the transistors are connected in series, as it is shown in the circuit diagram. Again, the LED is off. Even if we press the push button 1, no light. Push button 2. But when two switches are closed, both the transistors are on, and the current flows through them. So both of them are high, as it is explained. Thus, the LED is on. So, I hope you understand the working principle of the AND gate using transistors on the breadboard. Thank you for watching, and God bless.